Which are the other movers and shakers in trade today? My colleague Gaurav is now joining us with the details. Gaurav, over to you.
Let's begin our list today with PSU Bank only. First, let's talk about Indian Overseas Bank. This bank came up with a good set of numbers. Net interest income increased almost by 16%, while PAT increased almost by 31% on a year-on-year basis. On the other hand, when we talk about asset quality, we saw net NPAs improving almost by 5 basis points on a sequential basis. As a result, we are seeing some uptick in this counter. Other than that, United Breweries is also in focus and it is up in trade today because earlier company had said that they will not supply their beer to Telangana beverages, but now company has now resumed to supply their beer. At the same time, they said that TGBCL has assured to address issues on pricing and dues. After that, we are seeing some uptick in this counter. Kotak Mahindra Bank is yet another counter which is up in trade today, and the reason being there are two positive plus points which we saw in the results. First is net interest margin, where we saw a positive surprise, and on the other hand, when we talk about fresh slippages, they decline almost by 12% on a sequential basis. As a result, the bank is up more than 9%. Vodafone Idea is yet another counter which is up in trade today, and the reason being that reports suggest that government may consider potential partial waiver for AGR dues. Now, with this, brokerages believe that as per IIFL, for Vodafone Idea, it will give a waiver of around 8,400 crore rupees, and CLSA also says that for Vodafone, AGR risk is around 7 rupees per share. Now with this, the stock is up almost 10%. We also have sugar stocks which are in focus today, like KID, Pari and Balrampur Chini, because as per reports, government has now allowed 10 lakh MT of sugar export, and as a result, these stocks are also in focus today. Lastly, let's also focus on macrotech developers, because Jefferies has now maintained buy rating and a target price of 1,615 rupees, because what they believe is that stock has underperformed, and now is the time when investors can enter in this stock. As a result, we are seeing some rally in this counter as well. So definitely watching out on all these counters on the back of the news flow, as well as brokerage note that we have received today.
If you like this video, then like, share and subscribe to ET Now.